In this quick tip video, we're going to show you how to fill a Narwhal piston fill fountain pen. Pretty easy, very similar to most other piston fill fountain pens, and the added benefit with a Narwhal pen is that you could completely see through, especially with the hippocampus and the yellow tang. You could see right through and see the piston section and everything pretty clearly with the translucent acrylic material that's on here. So what I would start off by doing is, of course, removing the cap like I just did here, and then you would turn the blind cap piston knob. You would turn that counterclockwise to advance the piston all the way to the front until it cannot go anymore. Then you have yourself a bottle of ink here. Here I have the Diamine Scribble Purple. Figure it might be a nice ink to use with this pen. And we're going to remove the cap of the ink. Then we're going to submerge the nib up to the level of ink so that right at the point where the nib meets the section, and then we're going to draw up by turning clockwise. And you can see we're getting ink in there, but we have a bit of some air, and we can remedy that by turning the pen nib facing the sky here. And then we're going to very slowly let those air bubbles out. You can kind of see some of the ink is going along with it, but we're going to be letting out the air bubbles and advancing the piston forward to raise the level of the ink so that it comes all the way up to the front part here. And then we're going to go back down and submerge it one more time and draw up that piston just a little bit more so we can get the maximum amount of ink in this pen. Then of course you have your paper towel or a cloth nearby and handy so that you can wipe off the excess ink off the section and the nib, and you are good to go. Thank you guys. Take care.